Are you looking to create highly engaging workout videos to grow your fitness business? Follow along style workout videos like these can help you increase your reach online and help you generate qualified leads. In this episode of Typito's video design series, let me walk you through a step-by-step tutorial to create a stunning fitness video with timer templates. We will begin with how you can create an impactful intro where we introduce the fitness routine to the audience, followed by how you can add countdown and count up timers to help your viewers follow along. And then we will add branded lower thirds to reinforce your brand. And finally, we will add an outro to the video with a clear call to action where you can ask viewers to follow you on social media platforms. Let's begin with the tutorial. We head over to typito.com. If you haven't already created an account, now would be the time to do so. I'll wait. Once logged in, click on New Project to create a new video project. Now, what we are looking for is the right format for our video. Since this particular video is to be published on YouTube, let's go ahead and choose the standard recommended 16:9 video format. Next, let's upload the video file. This part is relatively straightforward. Once the video has been uploaded, let's first create an impactful intro. Go to the Text tab here and then click the Titles button to get a list of beautiful title templates. We want our intro text to be bold, which will add flair to the video. This would fit in perfectly with the video. Click on it to place it on the video. Now, we can edit the text and also change the color into something which is brand compliant. The duration of an intro is usually 5 to 10 seconds long, so we go ahead and adjust the template overlay accordingly. Let's add the name of the fitness instructor as well. It helps to have a personal touch. Let's see if the intro ticks all the boxes. Position? Check. Relevant text? Check. Brand compliant? Check. Wow factor? Check and check. In the next video frame, we will add additional information about the fitness routine. For instance, here we will mention the total number of reps and also the number of exercises. A simple title overlay would be sufficient, but to ensure that the text is readable, we can use a subtle background shape of a contrasting color. For that, go to the Images tab and click on the option Shapes. A rectangle shape would work fine. Click on it, and the shape will pop up on the video as an overlay. Click on this option to place the shape behind the text. I will now resize the shape by selecting it, clicking, and dragging the handles to cover the full video frame. Reduce the opacity of the shape. Right there, at 65. Adjust the color so that it contrasts well with the text color, and we are done. Now we can successfully move from part 1 to part 2. Adding a timer template. Typito provides you a range of beautifully animated countdown and count up timer templates. To choose the one that fits your needs, go to the Typito Templates gallery. As we scroll, we can see the various categories of templates that are available. Click here to view all the timer templates. Let's find something we like. This one is simple and subtle. To use it, click on it to open the template details page. On this page, we can preview the timer animation by playing around with the timing, colors, or even different fonts. After playing around with the preview option, click the Save button. To place the timer animation on your video, go back to the project page and refresh the page. The template we just saved has appeared in the Saved menu in the Text tab. To add it to the video, all we have to do is click on the template thumbnail. Placement is everything. The size of the timer should not be too small that our audience finds it difficult to see and follow. Neither should it be too big that it distracts the user from the workout happening on the screen. Yep, this nails it on the head. We drag the template onto the top right corner of the video. Once we get the placement right, we can now adjust the timer duration. It's super easy with Typito. When we click on the timer template, a menu pops up. On the left side, we see the option to change the duration. Type in the length required. 20 seconds for this particular exercise. The upward arrow icon indicates a count up timer, and a downward arrow icon indicates a countdown timer. For the duration of a specific routine, a count up timer is preferable. Whereas a countdown timer can be used for the duration of any rest between two routines or exercises. A crucial element when it comes to follow-along workout videos is to keep the audience informed about the different exercises. Therefore, let's add the current exercise name and adjust the duration accordingly. In the next part of the tutorial, let's look at how to add a lower third in the video. Here, we use the lower thirds to inform the audience of what is next in the fitness routine. Let's go back to the Text tab and click on the Branded option to browse through branded lower third templates. For this particular workout video, we choose this. Click on it to add it to the video. Add the text that is needed. Here, we will add the name of the exercise that'll appear next in the video. In the image placeholder, let's add a profile picture of the fitness instructor featured in the video. We strategically place the template right here and make sure to adjust the duration. After the lower third is added for one exercise, you can copy and save the style and reuse it across different parts of the video. Now we will talk about an essential element if you are using video marketing for a business: adding a logo. Adding a logo acts as a watermark to videos and helps people identify your brand. Go to the Images tab and click on the plus button to browse through your system files and upload your logo. Once the logo is finished uploading, click on it and add it to the video. We are resizing and placing it right here. We then also reduce the opacity of the logo, just like this. Done. So far, so good. Now that we have used text and timer animations to make the exercise routine engaging, let's make sure we leave an impression. A call to action in the outro helps to further engage with your audience. Here we will add an outro asking viewers to follow the business on social media channels. To do that, we can now go back to the Text tab and choose an appropriate social media template to use as a call to action. This one looks perfect. Let's ask the viewers to follow the business on Instagram and YouTube for more such workout videos and tips. Drag the templates to the desired position. The center is good. Let's preview the video and see if all looks good. It does look good. Click Export, and we are done. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, do leave a comment below. We respond to every comment. So what are you waiting for? Jump in and create your next workout video with Typito. Try it for free by clicking the link in the description and subscribe to our YouTube channel for actionable tips to design professional-looking videos on your own.